Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and today I'm going to do things I ordered from Amazon. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back, and I apologize for the way I look today. I haven't been feeling real well. I ate something yesterday that just really upset my stomach, and so I'm actually taking the day off from work today to just kind of hang out around the house and get my stomach to feeling back in order. But it's just been a kind of a strange little thing. So I have already cut this box open, and we're going to look inside and see what's in here, because in here are some things that have to do with wigs. I ordered some things because I was going to post a video of me doing a makeover in that white wig, and I was going to glue down the lace frontal and do all that kind of stuff. I've never done that, but I was going to do it here on camera. But you know, with me not feeling well, I just can't do that today. So I'll just share my pleasure at unboxing this stuff with you guys today. So here we go. All right, so my goodness, look at all this stuff. This is It Stays Roll-On. I have been wanting to get some of this stuff because I've heard some really good things about this. I've got it in my Amazon store, and I wanted to just try it out to see what it does. I'll drop a link for all this stuff in case you guys want to take a look at it, but I want to just roll it on and see if it really does what everybody says it's going to do. Also, I ordered a lace wig grip. I don't know if you all can see this or not, but supposedly it has lace right in the very front to make it a little bit more realistic when you wear a lace frontal wig. So we'll find out on Friday if everything goes as planned. Next, I ordered some, on the advice of someone that I'm a member of a wig support group with. I ordered some of these little plastic bobby pins. She recommended these to me because I still have my biological hair, and she said it's really easy to twist your hair up with these pins because it doesn't damage your hair as much as the hair pins that I've been using. And gosh, as thin as my hair is, I really can't afford any more damage to my biological hair. So I got some of those too. And I also ordered this. This is a screen protector for my iPhone. This has nothing to do with wigs, but I am a serial iPhone dropper. I drop my iPhone constantly, and the reason why is, number one, I'm clumsy as an ox, and number two, I have a battery case for my iPhone, and that thing is heavy. It makes the phone twice as heavy as an ordinary iPhone, and the case is just clumsy. So that's why I drop my phone. So I have to keep these protectors on hand, and they're like $8 for two of them on Amazon, as opposed to $30 if I go to the iPhone store and buy one. Well, that's the end of my Amazon wig swag unboxing, and I hope you guys have a good day today. I'm sorry I'm not a little perkier like I normally am, but I'm sure you guys will forgive me. Have a great day, guys. God bless. Maranatha.